Hogzilla Barbecue. Welcome to the show. This week, gonna do some old school barbecue chicken.
Are you ready?
Well, are you?
Well, are you?
Okay, today we're going to be cooking up some old school barbecue chicken. Got some thighs here, 7 of them, odd number, whatever. We're going to put them on the Cabela smoke station. I'm going to run 225, might crank it up a little later. We're going to let it go for a while. Got a couple of smoke tubes going. I know it's loud as hell. Let's get them on. Just got my basic butt rub on there. Little GPS.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Alright. The reason I call it old school is because when these are about done, I'm going to baste them with some Sweet Baby Ray's. It's got a little my sauce in it, as well as a shot of Jim Beam bourbon. Really good. Make a nice glaze on there. It's going to be yummy. Alright. We'll check back after a bit. Alright, so we're going to take a lookie. Oh, looking and smelling good. Up to about 140 internal right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a flip and then let them go for a little bit more, and then it'll probably be ready for the glaze. So I'll glaze the bottom, flip them back over, glaze the top, and go from there. Check them in a little bit. Give it a second look. Get some good char marks on there. Yum. All right, back in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I just buttered up the bottoms. Gonna let them ride like this for a little bit and then flip them over. And this is just like some good old school barbecue chicken. Reminds me of when me and my brother Lenny had a house we rented down in Barrow. We'd sit outside and cook on this little hibachi just like this, and eat pickled jalapenos out of the jar. He damn near blinded me one night. He picks out this giant jalapeno and goes, "Hey, check this out," bites into it, and that shit shot 4 feet into my eye.
Maybe he should be taken to a doctor.
Maybe he should be taken to a doctor.
As soon as possible. As soon as possible.
Damn near killed me. Anyway, good times, and this was looking good. So check this out. Oh yeah, she getting there. All right, we'll check back in a little bit. All right, y'all, so we've flipped them and basted them, and we're gonna let it go for like another 30 minutes like this, and I think we'll be done. These are looking really good. Check it out.
Alas, my children, this is the day you shall always remember as the day that you all know.
it. Oh yeah, these things are looking really good. About ready to pull. Another coat. Smells fantastic. I'll take these in and gonna make some red beans and rice, some greens. I think I got some leftover cornbread. These will go in the oven for a little bit too, so I'll probably pull them around 150, between 150 and 160. They'll get up to 165. Oh yeah. All right. Check back in a little bit.
All right, y'all. These things turned out fantastic. Thanks for sticking around. Give it a shot. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell. God bless you. God bless this country. God knows we need it.